Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to show you how to receive money on PayPal. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. To receive money on PayPal, you really only need two things: your PayPal account and your PayPal email. And the PayPal email is the email that PayPal gives you once you sign up, and that is the way people send you money, and it sends it directly to your PayPal account, and then you'll be able to download. Right now, I have my PayPal account open. I've already created an account, so if you don't have one, go ahead and do that. And then once you're signed in, it will give you a PayPal account. If you go to your profile, it will say your PayPal account. Mine's paypal.me/MichaelaMcMaster. And that is how people send me money on PayPal. And that is what you're going to give out to people. You can also go back and request money and share a link if you'd like, or show them your QR code. And this is just another way so people can identify you and get you money. And that is how you receive it. You want to make sure that once you have your account set up, that you get it verified by verifying your email and also by verifying your banks and cards. If you go to settings, banks and cards, and then add account, you need to add an account that is connected to your PayPal so that once you get the money, that you can then put it into your bank account. But that's all you really need. You need to have the PayPal account set up, you need to have it verified, and then you just need your paypal.me/whatever your name is email to go ahead and receive money. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, don't forget to subscribe.